heel. It's hard to do it with the Zimmer frame.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Heel.
But then when she gets to that point, she should be, it won't be hard.
We've got a year before our exam.
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel. This channel is about living with chronic illness in a positive manner. Obviously this vlog is about me taking Ollie, my trainee assistance dog, to B&M store. I'm not a qualified dog trainer. I am entitled to an assistance dog, but there is a shortage of them. So I decided that it would be good for my mental health. I love a challenge. I do have some dog handling skills that I would take this challenge on myself, and I would work with an organisation to get Ollie to the standards that we need to pass our exam to become a fully qualified assistance dog. Wait. Okay. Ollie.
Oh, I've got to get a bag of food. No.
This is the shit thing that I need to put it on my Zimmer frame. Good girl. Okay. Good sit. Good sit. Wait. No, you cheated. Sit. Sit. Wait. Okay, heel. 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 Come here. Heel. Good focus. Ollie. Good focus. What's she doing? What's she doing? Sit. Check the list. Okay. Grapes, bread, apples, cheese, cash. I think it'll be up there.
Yeah,
Ollie, come.
could be.
Ollie, heel. Heel. Oh, sorry. Heel. Good sit. Heel. Heel. Good. Oh. Come here. That was really good for a couple of steps. Good girl. Oh, God. Ollie, sit. Good focus. Good focus. Ollie.
Like
no
that.
interest in food. She just wants a cuddle.
Too much else going on.
Like, she's like, I need a cuddle. Sit. Sit. There's no good going to India.
No.
Sit.
Oh, I'm not going to cuddle you.
Hey. Thank you. Right. Heel. Heel. Good heel. Have you got oatcakes?
Oh, they're all there. I was going to. Oh, she's like, who said okay?
Yeah, she's like, there's some.
You won't want them. Come here. I bet I just want a cuddle.
Sit.
You're supposed to be working.
Yes, wait.
Training.
Come.
Working.
Come here. Sit.
She's just like, oh.
Right. Grapes.
Should you bake apples?
Oh.
Right, well, I'll go to Lidl for that
Ollie,
one.
come here. Apples, bread, cheese. That's it. That's it for me. Yeah. Right, Ollie, come. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Oh, gosh, I'm sorry, we've collided. Ollie, come here. Come on. Heel. Heel. Good girl. Oh, Ollie, here. Come on. Look at this aisle.
Treats, Ollie.
Look at this. Here. Ooh. Ooh. One of these? Try one of these? Yeah? I'll try one of those. Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sit. Oh no, I've dropped the lead. Oh, thank you. How cute is that? Come here. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ollie, come. Come on. Good girl.
Good girl.
This is only her second time in the store.
Yeah, she's good.
Yeah.
She's
right.
getting there. She's just like, oh, it's people.
Yeah,
I want,
and the smells.
I want a cuddle.
Come in.
Yeah, I know.
Leave it. Come on. Leave it. When she does the test, she's not allowed to smell anything. I'm like, she's a dog.
Yeah, that's going to be hard.
Heel.
I'm walking.
Heel. Good leaving.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl. It's a good girl. Heel. Ollie, focus. Yes, good focus. Good focus.
Yeah.
She's like, now I'll have a cuddle. Ollie, come
I
here.
ruined that for
Yeah,
her.
come here. She ruined. You were doing so well.
I ruined it. But yeah, hey, it's
Yeah, good girl.
it's all part of it. She's
Yeah. She needs the distraction work as well. Good heel. Look at that. Oh,
2 seconds.
yeah, I ruined it. That was my fault. Please, Ollie, sit. Ollie, up. Up. Yes. Off. Yes. Ollie, sit. Think. Focus. Ollie, up. Up. Yes. Off. Yes. Good girl.
£10.22, please.
Next time we'll try her paying. That's what that's for. Good girl. That's the first time we've done that. I'm quite impressed with that. I'm not impressed with this bit. See, it went too well. That bit went too well.
It's a bit too soon.
Yeah. Ollie, back. Back. Oi, focus. Back. 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 Yes. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Ollie, focus. Ollie, focus. Yes.
Better.
Okay. Good girl.
And I'm off.
Sorry, yeah, that didn't go well. But that was amazing. Extra shoulder pain, obviously, with her pulling. She's not interested in food at all, which is gutting because she's just not responsive. You know, there's no way to sort of get her attention and reward her because what she wants is cuddles. The people in there were amazing. No one distracted her. That was absolutely fantastic. Big thank you to B&M. We're not on Festival Park, where are we? We're at this one. You know, anyone that's in Stoke knows these places. The staff there are amazing. Any dog handlers watching this vlog? Oh, I've been watching it and I make so many mistakes in it. It is a learning process for both Ollie and I. She's only 7 months old. Her exams are going to be when she's 2, and there are going to be many vlogs of us learning together to get to the level we need to be to qualify. I know that any issues with Ollie and her skills and her attention, none of it is her fault. It's all my fault as the dog handler. I totally accept that. So I promise I'm going to learn and I'm going to improve, and I do have a friend that's mentoring me that is an amazing dog handler, so I will get better. But if you do have any feedback, put it in the comments below because I am open to feedback. I'm editing this, right?